These two are on their first date, a blind date at the zoo. Anyways.
Hi. Are you Frank?
Yes. Are you Olivia?
Sure.
Like that, yeah. I like to do that. Okay, I'm a little awkward. Let me just start off with that.
It's okay, I'm awkward too. Let's just start walking around the zoo. What animals do they have here?
I think that's a cat over there, if you hear it carefully.
Are we sure? That's a really weird sounding cat.
This is my first time at the zoo.
I've never actually seen a cat before, so I don't know.
I haven't seen a cat either, so let's not look at the cats, because they
All right.
sound a little awkward.
Let's go see the penguins.
Let's look at the penguins.
All right. Penguins are...
Oh, look how cute the penguins are. Wait, I didn't mean to. I'm a little awkward again, I mentioned it.
That's...
And sometimes I have to do this.
I can do that too. I don't want to do that.
Can we do that again? Wait, I think we're being watched.
I think there's somebody that's watching us through the security cameras.
Quick, hide underneath this polar bear!
That's a terrible idea.
You just farted in my face.
It did. It really did. Are they watching us? Did you steal an animal?
No, I didn't steal the
Are
animal.
you sure?
I don't have a gerbil in my pocket.
That's not a gerbil. That is not a gerbil.
Gerbils make sounds like that. Wait, I think you're right. Hold on. Wait, it's my phone. Wait.
Oh.
Yes, Mom? Wait, what do you mean?
Are you talking about me?
No, wait.
I'm gonna text
No,
my
Olivia's fine. She's not a serial killer. She's not a serial killer.
Alright, this is for my family photo album, so.
Can I just want to look over. I don't want to look over your shoulder creepily.
That's the definition of creepy.
Oh, look at the penguins over there.
Oh, those penguins. What is that penguin doing?
There are too many noises in here, and I'm just.
Here, I'm gonna. Pressure.
Wait, no, I'm okay. I'm all right. This is a little too fast for me.
I'm sorry.
I know you're trying. Wait, is there a snake in here?
I don't like snakes.
Can you stop farting?
No.
Listen.
There's a snake right by your feet!
Wait, it's a fake snake, silly. Oh, that's so funny. Oh, the snake by your feet. You know that? Like, there's a snake in my boot.
You're so funny.
This is really awkward. I'm gonna put this fake snake down right here. Ah! I don't know where these sounds are coming from.
Let's go see the monkeys. I'm really confused.
All right, let's just see the monkey before we leave. This is gonna be the last thing.
Okay. Can we hold the monkeys?
They're Kung Fu monkeys.
Do you know Kung Fu?
Do you know Kung Me?
No, I don't even know what you said. You're really weird. And my mom set this date up, and I never should have listened to my mother.
Oh my goodness. It's a wolf. A wolf gerbil, like the one that I had in my pocket. Quack! Oh my goodness. No, look.
That's the sound they make before they attack.
No, it's not.
I read it on the internet.
Wait, you're right. Quack, quack, quack.